Hitting 100 subscribers on YouTube is a bigger deal than you may think, and let me tell you why. Imagine a lot of you were like me when you first started making YouTube videos. You set out with the mission of escaping your day-to-day job, wanting to become a full-time content creator. You start planning and setting your goals only to realize one of your milestones you had to hit is you have to get monetized, and the major step of being monetized is hitting 1,000 subscribers. So you do it, you commit, you get your first YouTube video out, and your goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of your first year, because honestly, how hard could it be? 10 months and 44 videos later, you realize that you're almost at the 1-year marker and you just now hit 100 subscribers. So why the heck is hitting 100 subscribers such a big deal? I mean, you're not technically hitting some big milestone according to YouTube standards. Spoiler alert, this means that your channel is trending in the right direction and you may not even know it. Let's take this a step further and talk about that some more, but first...
Raid Shadow Legend.
Wait, no, what the heck? They're not sponsoring this. What's going on, guys? Max here, and welcome back to another video. If this is your first time on my channel and you want to learn how to make awesome and successful YouTube content, make sure you subscribe right now so that way you don't miss any content. So let's talk about YouTube's philosophy toward new creators on the platform, and then we're going to talk about why you hitting your first 100 subscribers on YouTube means that your channel is doing better than you think. So to start things off, let's go ahead and drop a bomb on you. YouTube does not want you to grow fast.
Why, bro? That doesn't even make sense.
Philip, sure it does. So the thing you need to understand about YouTube is that unless you've got some prior experience making content on the platform, most people are novices on YouTube, so why would YouTube promote your content if it's crap? I know that's harsh to say, but think about it. I mean, I look at my old content and truthfully, I can fully admit that most of it was crap. The majority of people making YouTube videos in the beginning have no idea what type of content they want to make. They don't know how to make good thumbnails. They don't know how to title their videos well. Heck, they don't even know how to edit their videos well. The list goes on. Prime example is, I don't mean to put my intern Philip on blast, but look at this video of his. I mean, obviously he doesn't know what the heck he's doing.
Hey, what's going on, guys? We're gonna be playing some Warzone today. Warzone!
Hey, that video's gonna be a banger, man.
Interns, man. On a serious note, I know exactly what it's like to be a creator that's releasing videos on a regular basis and you're not getting views and you're not gaining subscribers for a long period of time. I mean, look at this right here. Between August 3rd and April 1st, 2020, I went through the worst drought on my YouTube journey so far, where I released 7 videos and only gained 1 subscriber. I was literally stuck at 19 subscribers forever. But truthfully, I look back on all my videos from before then, and honestly, they all suck. I'm not trying to be overly critical here, but at the end of the day, I was very objective when I look back at my content, and I had to make a change because honestly, my videos were doing very badly. It's funny I say that because in October, I was thinking that exact thing. I was like, man, my videos are not doing well, so I need to make a change. So on October 19, 2020, I released the video that right now is my #1 video on my channel. So I don't want you to think this is all negative, because I want you to go back to that overall statement I said at the beginning. YouTube does not want you to grow fast, but YouTube doesn't want you to fail either. What YouTube is doing is it's protecting you until you learn how to use the platform correctly. Let me explain. See, when you first start making YouTube videos, you have no idea what type of creator you want to be. I mean, honestly, can most of you say that you have any idea what audience you're targeting? I mean, if you do have a general idea, great, good for you. But I mean, the majority of people under 100 subscribers, even a lot of people over 100 subscribers, still have no idea what audience they're targeting. See, the reason why YouTube sets their monetization where it is because they want you to experiment making different types of content. Once you figure out what type of content you want to make, YouTube algorithm rewards you by actually promoting your videos because people are actually enjoying them and watching them. So with all that being said, why is 100 subscribers specifically an indicator that your channel is already doing pretty well? What you're gonna be seeing is a bunch of channel metrics from my personal channel to show you this trend in the right direction that I'm talking about. Honestly, I can't think of a good transition for this, so look at these graphs. We're going to start off by looking at the views, and you can obviously see that, my views have gone up since I started the channel around the time I started making good content. All right, so now let's look at subs. I mean, same thing. When I was actually starting to learn how to make good content, what happened? I started gaining more subs. Let's talk about impressions. Once I started learning how to actually use the YouTube algorithm properly and promote my videos out there a little bit, what happened? More people started seeing my videos. Watch time? I mean, my watch time has been steadily increasing as my videos have gotten more interesting to watch. Click-through rate? I'm gonna act like I didn't bring that up. I think you get my overall point. The more I understood the platform, the more YouTube actually started promoting my content. And the better my content got, the more people engaged with it and actually started wanting more content. The same thing goes for you. I imagine if you take a look at your metrics right now in the way that I did, you're gonna start seeing some of these trends in the right direction. So one of the oldest sayings on YouTube is the fact that your first 100 subscribers is the most difficult milestone that you can hit on YouTube. I mean, sure, come on, everybody wants that huge surge of subscribers. I mean, but especially if you're new to YouTube, are you sure you're gonna know how to handle that? I mean, personally, if I had a lot of subscribers coming to my channel around my second and third video, I would have absolutely no idea how to handle that because my videos back then and the way I approached YouTube was absolutely terrible. Be happy and patient with the process, and overall, celebrate with where you're at. Hitting 100 subscribers is a big deal, and I don't want anybody to take that away from you. My question of the day for you guys is, what's been your biggest challenge so far with pushing towards your first 100 subscribers? If you're looking for more videos on how you can make your channel even better, make sure you click the videos on screen right now because they're gonna help you out. Anyways, guys, thank you so much, and we'll see you next time. Best character was Cyborg. His backstory is fleshed out. Yep. Look at this game in its beauty! Admire the beauty of this game. You guys love it, don't you?